Are you looking to streamline your hiring process and make applicant tracking easier? In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to use Top Echelon for applicant tracking and make the most of its powerful features. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your recruitment efforts, this software has something to offer. Stick around till the end, because we've got a special deal for you. Now, Top Echelon isn't just any applicant tracking system, it's a robust platform designed to simplify every step of the recruitment process. Right from posting job openings to managing candidate pipelines, it makes recruitment faster and more efficient. One of the standout features is its centralized dashboard, which gives you a complete view of your recruitment activities. You can track job postings, view candidate applications, and even monitor how far along candidates are in the hiring process. The first thing you'll want to do after signing in is setting up your job openings. Top Echelon makes this easy with customizable templates, allowing you to quickly create and post job listings. You can choose between different job boards or your own website to publish openings, so you're reaching a wider pool of candidates. You can also automate job posting across multiple channels, ensuring consistency and saving time. Once candidates start applying, you'll need to evaluate their applications. Top Echelon offers robust tools to manage resumes, track interview stages, and even assess candidates based on certain criteria. This means you can build a structured hiring process tailored to your needs. If you're part of a recruitment team, the software allows collaboration, assign tasks, share notes, and keep the team in sync. Plus, its built-in reporting tools let you track the progress of your hiring process and make adjustments if needed. Another key feature is the integration with background check services, helping you ensure candidates meet your requirements without the need to use a third-party service separately. Top Echelon also has a powerful resume parsing tool that instantly scans resumes, extracting important information like skills, experience, and education. This saves time and reduces the potential for human error. For those managing a team of recruiters, the software also enables you to track performance metrics, including time to hire, cost per hire, and candidate satisfaction, which are essential for evaluating how well your recruitment efforts are working. The software can help with compliance too, ensuring that your hiring practices meet legal standards. Now, here's where it gets even better. If you're interested in testing Top Echelon for yourself, you can use the software completely free through our exclusive link in the description below. That's right, you get access to all these features and more, with no risk and some additional bonuses to help you get started. To wrap things up, Top Echelon is an excellent choice for applicant tracking if you're looking to streamline your recruitment process. It's easy to use, packed with features, and designed to help you make smarter hiring decisions faster. Plus, remember, the first link below gives you exclusive access to a free trial with additional bonuses, so you can see firsthand how Top Echelon can transform your hiring process. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out the free trial and take advantage of the offer. Thanks for watching.